Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a quick morning routine for you. I'm filming it very early in the morning, so you have a beautiful sun that is coming up. You have trees behind me. So I want you to soak up the energy of the morning, the energy of a new day. Breathe, stretch, and hopefully that will set you up for a good day ahead. But before we begin, if you like my videos, consider joining my membership site. You get access to weekly live classes, different content and tutorials, Q&As, and lots of membership benefits. You can find more information in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and straight. Unlock your knees, soften your hips, and relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. Let's begin with a twist and turn exercise. Keep your feet firm on the ground, your knees slightly bent, and you have a good posture, good alignment. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax your abdominal muscles. Feel your belly relaxing. And as you turn, let's bring our attention to our breath. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Nice and easy. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Just simply tuning in with your breath, beginning to feel the body once more. Breathe in and out. Very good. Slow it down. Relax. From here, we're going to squat down and do the frontal stretch. Opening up, shifting the weight slightly forward, elongating through the front of the body. Relax, distributing the weight, getting fully grounded, and let your hands open. The sun is already up high, shining right on me. So we go again. We go up. We open. Then we relax. Couple of those. Staying aware and fully present. Opening through the front and relaxing. One more time, we go up. Make sure you feel some weight on the front of your feet and relax. Very good. So we're going to shift the awareness to the back. So first, lightly stretching through the fingers. We turn and we gently press upwards. Now your focus is on your spine. You can come up on your toes if you feel confident. Then release and begin to soften, letting this wave of comfort and relaxation pour down your body, flow down. Oh, the sun is strong. We go again. We open. We turn. Paying attention what your body is telling you, picking up on the clues. We're reaching upwards, but we're not overstretching. We're just elongating. And we release. If you can step out a little bit if that's going to help. And again, we're going up. We turn. Keep it soft. Keep it enjoyable. Opening first and in the morning. Reach up. Release. And soft. One more time. Up through the sides. Keeping your shoulders soft. Elbows relaxed. Turn. Reach upwards. Press out. Open, open, open. As if your hands are being lifted towards the sky. Then release. And soft. Very good. From here, keeping your feet parallel, we're going to lift. And as you separate your hands, turn to the side. You can either go 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock, or you can go a little deeper if you're flexible, if your mobility range allows you to do that. And then come back, bringing both hands back to center. We separate, begin to press in opposite directions. Turn to the side. Release. Keeping your spine nice and straight at all times. Release. Allow your body to fully let go as you come back to center. Come back. Feel a relaxation through your lower back, through your hips, through your neck and shoulders. Come back. Come back. One more time on each side. Open. Come back. Last one here. Come back. Very good. Lower your hands and relax to the side. Next, we're going to do the spinal wave. Gently lean forward, relaxing your upper back. Then, same time, bend your knees, tuck your chin in, and go straight up as if someone's pulling you upwards by your shoulder blades. Nice, comforting forward bend, and then roll in and up. At your own pace. Keep the movement slow. Slowly warming up the spine. Find softness and fluidity through your spine. The rush for trying to get somewhere. This is the moment. Beginning to wake up the body, getting that circulation up and down the spine, to the brain. Very good. One more time. Forward, rolling, and up. Stand back up, with your feet parallel, relax. before we continue with the hip rotation, let's warm up the hips. Open the meridians that cross over the hips, getting that circulation down to the legs. Keep things gentle. Same here, listening to the body first and follow the clues, how deep you want to stretch, how fast you want to go. Everything is here, it's telling you. Maybe you don't want to go fast. Maybe you just want to slowly ease into the day. Slowly and safely open the joints. We change the direction. Very good. One more time. Come back to center. Soften your knees, relax your hips. Stay nice and aligned. Very good. And then step out wider than your shoulders with your feet still parallel, and your knees will be on top of your toes. Then straighten your knees. Bring your hands in front of you, make them into loose fists. Lift to shoulder height. And then as you squat down, you open and pull across. Keeping your arms on the same level. Your eyes look far into the distance, and you nicely kind of ground it through your feet. And then begin to soften, stand back up. And repeat the same on the other side. Lift. Pull across and squat down. Release. Roll to the other side. Your head follows. Relax. It doesn't have to go deep into the squat, especially if it's first thing in the morning. Just a little. Squat down to open up here. Relax. Loose fists, lift, open. Relax. This is an opportunity to relax every muscle in your body, especially the legs, before we squat down again. Relax. Pull across. Relax. Remind yourself to breathe. So your movement is slow, your breath is relaxed. And one more time. Pull across. And let go. As you come back to center, make smaller steps to return with the shoulder width apart, feet parallel. Relax your lower back, relax your hips. Stay here. And then take a couple of deep breaths. As you're taking in fresh energy of a new day, and let it flow down. Inhale, you open the chest, drawing oxygen and energy into the body. Exhale, let it spread out. Inhale, Exhale. Feel a comfort as you take in those deep, cautious breaths. Feel a sense of ease and release as you exhale. One more time. Full breath in. Easy long exhale. Relax fully. Feel free to close your eyes or soften your gaze and turn all your attention inward. You can focus on your heart center. You can focus on the lower abdomen. Just simply feel the energy circulating throughout your body. Very good. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel nice, energized. I'm gonna go and hide from this morning sun. It's definitely giving me a lot of yang energy. And I wish you the same. I wish you a good day. Stay well, and I'll see you soon. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below this video to make sure you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.